We present our 3 flagship products, designed to offer effective and long-lasting solutions in the repair, restoration, and maintenance of concrete surfaces. CPR Plus, CPR Flex, and Polyurea PX. Each of our products is distinguished by its technical excellence and the use of advanced technology. CPR Plus. It is a low-viscosity, high-strength, fast-setting urethane repair material. This 2-component, 1:1 system is 100% solid and is designed to rebuild and repair damaged control joints, fill voids under slabs, repair worn concrete surfaces very quickly, and quickly restore cracked surfaces. Up to 5 millimeters. It is compatible with sand or gravel to improve the patching process, and can be leveled with abrasive discs until the original surface is flat. CPR Flex. Flexible, high-strength compound, formulated for the repair of concrete surfaces exposed to thermal or structural movements. Its rapid setting time allows for almost immediate gelation when mixed or dispensed from a cartridge or 2-component pump system. Ideal for sealing fine cracks, 1 to 3 millimeters, and construction joints. Thanks to its elasticity, it does not require roughing processes and can be leveled with a cutting tool or knife, achieving complete drying in 20 to 25 minutes. PX Polyurea. 2-component elastomeric polyurea compound in a 1:1 ratio, designed for sealing and filling joints and cracks in concrete surfaces. Its self-leveling formulation makes it suitable for high-demand applications, as it is completely resistant to humidity, does not present stains, and offers excellent adhesion. Available in various degrees of hardness to adapt to different levels of traffic and wear conditions, especially in vehicular traffic areas, ensuring exceptional durability and performance. Our products are available in various presentations, including dual-component cartridges, 2-gallon kits, and 10-gallon kits. For more information, visit our website at www.cprmaterials.com. Discover the most innovative and durable products for concrete repair, designed to offer high performance and quality solutions.